Hi, my name is Akua and I am the founder and co-adventurer at Dreamcatcher Global. And I'm here in these amazing studios. I have just done the most amazing media VIP training with the amazing Mirella and Andrea, and it was just amazing. I mean, I know I keep using that word amazing because I can't find another word. It was mind-blowing. I traveled all the way from Abu Dhabi to be here, and honestly, I'd do it again tomorrow. It was just such an exclusive and really intimate group of women. We had this hands-on experience that, gosh, with these amazing women with this, you know, the experience that they have was just phenomenal. And for me, I'm walking away with a newfound confidence with you, with the camera. And I'm saying that because for me, that was probably my biggest fear. I felt very good being on the sofa. I was guided so wonderfully by Mirella and Andrea. You know, their one-on-one, their attention to detail, their care and their support. Honestly, this was such a masterclass, and it's something that, wow, I never thought existed. So if you have the opportunity to come along, you can spend a day here in a studio, feel like an absolute celebrity, you know, being given this VIP treatment and really get behind the scenes on what it feels like to be in front of a camera, to really get that insight. And it wasn't just being in front of the camera, it was also the workshops, opportunities to really sit and have these conversations, to feel like you're being heard. And they really spent the time to answer our questions and to give us all of the years of experience and knowledge that they've basically had. So wow, I'm waiting for part two. I'm looking forward to be able to be going home with all of these wonderful nuggets. You know, you just don't come here and do the training, you get to take some amazing things home that you can actually use for yourself as you get out there in the world and start your own journey, your own media journey. I'm looking for part two. I'm hoping there's going to be a part two because it was just amazing. I'm buzzing and I can't wait to get home and get ready to share all that I've learned and really start to use that to start to follow my dreams and be that person who is holding the mic in front of millions of people around the world. I've just had this newfound confidence. So thank you so much, Mirella and Andrea. You guys are just fabulous. Thank you.